Pull up to my ass. And really, he's good. I think he must be a presenter. I know he's good. He's retired school teacher now. And I know he used to lead lots of groups up there from adventurers, this from Melbourne originally. He's doing along with that.
Film your carrot cake. Don't bother me. We're all camera shy here, let's go.
There she is, Helen, Tony and myself. Dad, go away.
Dad, go away. Dad. How could you? Such a hole. Bomba shit. No! Stop it! I like pasta. Dad, down.
Probably watching it because it's a daddy film.
Hey, Dad.
Dad, go to Pascal.
Don't film Pascal. Say Pascal, my daughter wants a memo. Okay, yeah, film us. Oh, yeah, it rhymes. Yeah, because Karen's really distressed that she lost John.
She's the man up there.
She's got much love. She's being a real bitch. This stupid girl, I mean, I'm not saying her stupid. I mean, she's just spots right. She takes me. She got a capricious. I've been at Debbie.
No. Look at that.
Hey! Hello, Nick!
Oh, service.
See the waitress over there.
Looking at you. Come on. Yep. He's got service. Where's Chris? There she is. Hi, Chris. How you going? You well?
I'm well. Doesn't he ever get rid of that camera and he's going, oh, you missed it.
Do you want anything yet?
Yes.
What's this? Oh, 47.
100 coins.
You said you'd go to win it today, didn't you? You had a lucky feeling?
That's all right. Oh, don't forget that day. It's a camera there.
Look at that, look at the gas.
They buy millions in Canberra. We'll go and cash in now. Oh, that's my little friend, I tell him all.
Did you manage to win a little bit?
That's good. He was small in the face. They hated him. They hate this. So what do you think of the club?
Great. It's really nice.
Not bad, is it?
$20 all down the shore.
Easy come, easy go,
Do you
son.
have any joy?
No.
Not even any joy. Mother, did you win?
Nothing, I lost a lot.
Mum won it back then. Frank, did you win?
Yep, there it is.
Oh, there it is, Chris.
I'll bring you this Chris to go back.
Of course, at least $10 that I put in to start with. So
Oh, you don't count that.
What do you reckon, Sabas? Did we exaggerate or not?
Yes, you did. I expect you to take me to the bazooka tonight.
Yeah.
See the Peloponnes with the yellow thing in the middle?
What was the Marco? Is he a Cardigan? Where was he from?
Castelloro.
Not fair, is it? International in a live
What did you say? They're coming. They're coming.
We'll ring up again tomorrow if he doesn't. Keep hassling.
So you got room tomorrow, Dad?
There's always room. We've got one extra bed now for an hour.
Refrigerated, sir.
I don't think they do. One or two?
Is he not?
105 booked.
Tonight?
Yep.
105. Jeez.
Is he not? Do you want this open as well? Yes, please. We only did $5 today, though.
We'll get a couple lunchtime too.
Should
Oh, don't drill me opening wine.
Can I have some juice glasses, please?
No one will ever come back.
And 4. Oh, this
Let's can I have 2 orange juices. Oh, you don't need to write it down.
Try that out.
And what, you can change it for long distance or short? Or
Mum, don't do that.
Haircut, Paul. Give me the haircut.
Yeah, a few of them actually. Quite a number of them. Most of them. All of them. Sorry? Oh, yeah.
What's the occasion?
The occasion is we have a photographic display on here this evening. It's basically just a cocktail party for everyone to come along and have a look at the photographs. Generally just to enjoy themselves. That's what everyone does here anyway. Everyone enjoys themselves here. I'm working, again. I'll show this to my boss. Would you like to tell a gentleman about this guy?
Sorry, this is my father. Wendy, my father Emmanuel.
Did I meet you the other day? That's not your father.
Look at us. It's my brother.
So you're the one who's been taking all the photos of it?
I took all the black and white stuff, and a friend of mine took the colour, but he couldn't be here tonight. So, yeah, what else do you want to do?
Where's your camera?
Yeah, I hate these things. I'm always on the other side. Andrew.
Silence.
I've got enough pictures and cameras for a long time.
I'm used to it.
Did you bring it?
No. This is your hassler?
I'm not hassling.
You're one of those people that parks
If I shoot on these, I do it like you, like.
That's why I wanted somebody says.
As soon as you got a camera, he likes it. Menu. Menu.
Trying to keep smiling. It's very hard nowadays, but it's hard.
When the happy hour starts? When the happy hour starts?
Happy hour?
Yes.
Happy hour's over, so we...
I thought you said... I'm a big boy, man. Smile. Smile. Hey, hey.
So what's happening?
Smile. Daddy, hold on. Daddy. Oh, you're on holiday?
Now I'm working. Bye, Josh. Hey. Bye, Josh. He doesn't want to play. See you later, man.
Dad, yes, Manuel.
Say hi, Manuel. See ya.
Bye.
That's a good shot. Yeah, it's not.
Didn't work.
It's very quick. He just loves it when the camera comes in.
Just